So in today's video, I'm actually going to go down to the Angkor Wat for the sunrise, and I'm going to be taking this tuk-tuk right here. So it's going to be pretty cool. Be taking this tuk-tuk here. So right there, that's my ride to the Angkor Wat. So come along with me and we'll check this sunrise. Right now, I'm actually in the back of the tuk-tuk on my way to the Angkor Wat here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. And this is the tuk-tuk right here. And we're making our way in here in the Siem Reap. It's pretty quiet here. It's really early in the morning. See these other tuk-tuks alongside the road right here. Now the Angkor Wat, I was there yesterday, and it's this 12th century temple here in Cambodia, so it's going to be really cool. Hopefully we get a nice clear sunrise. So tuk-tuk ride to the Angkor Wat. This is the ticket checkpoint right here. Checking the ticket right there. And temple checkpoint right here. This is always a right behind me is the Angkor Wat here before sunrise. So I'm here in the best position here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. And you can see right here, this is pre-sunrise here. And all the people are coming out here for the sunrise, and the sunrise should be coming up. There's the temple up there, right maybe in between the middle and right temple. From this position, this is the entrance right here to the Angkor Wat. You can see some of the people waiting up there in the surrounding areas right here. So that's the entrance right there. tuk-tuk here, leaving the Angkor Wat after the sunrise, and on my way back to the hotel. So this is the Siem Reap Cambodia. After seeing the awesome sunrise there at the Angkor Wat, it was really cool. Now taking a tuk-tuk ride back